shit.
There's like one hornet inside of it. I ain't messing with it. I'm just saying it's freaking crazy. That thing hanging right there has like one fucking hornet in it or something. It's the weirdest fucking thing I ever saw. I mean, it's like an apartment for one hornet. There's a hole in the bottom where he goes up into it. Oh shit, that's some freaky shit. Okay, I found this one right here, and it's like you can see how big it is compared to my hand, right? And this is one of those nests, those fucking single hornets. It feels like cardboard paper or something. It's fucking weird. I'm gonna throw it in here. And it's going down the river. Yeah. Rodman's going first.
Blazing the trail.
Okay.
You see what I mean by that board?
Yeah.
Well, here we do.
These boards are fucking... See, it's not even connected right there. All right, here I go. I hope it don't fall.
Hey, hold up, hold a second. Get a good shot here.
Damn, this thing moves a lot. Oh, y'all can't really tell on the video, but this fucking bridge is swaying side to side. It's a suspension bridge, just like on Indiana Jones, straight up. Like on Indiana Jones, yo. Dude, I don't like it either. But I guess all of these strands have to fail for us to fall in. And that's unlikely.
I'm worried about the board.
Yeah, me too.
I'm more worried about that than I am the...
That's what I was about to say. These boards are kind of dodgy, bro.
Try to take like big steps to the beams, you know?
Don't jump. That fool jumping. Shit. Okay, this side a little bit deeper than the other side. I don't want to fall on this side. Here we go. I'm trying to walk like dead in the center so that fucker don't sway too much. But it's not working. Because I'm swaying. Yep, I'm about to make it. Oh shit, I'm home free. I'm home free. This fucker's shit.